While loop. Hello there. Today we are going to learn about the while loop in Python. The while loop in Python looks for a test condition. It executes a block of code repeatedly till the test condition is true. Once the test condition becomes false, the loop comes to an end. The syntax of while loop is while condition body of while loop. First, the test condition is checked. If it is true, the statements in the body of while are executed. The control goes back to the while statement. This continues while the statement is true. Once the statement becomes false, the loop is terminated. Let's understand the operation of the while loop using a flowchart. The loop will start checking the condition. The execution of the loop begins only if the condition is true. If the condition of the while loop is false at the beginning, then the loop is not executed even once. Initially it will be true, so the body of while will be executed. Again, the condition is checked. If the condition becomes false, the loop is exited, otherwise it continues the body of while loop again. Come, let's write a simple program using the while loop to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. The program will show an output 55. N equals to 1. Sum equals to 0. While n lesser than equals to 10, sum equals to sum plus n equals to n plus 1. Print bracket sum of first 10 natural numbers is, comma, sum bracket. Now let's execute the program. Observe the output now. Look, the sum of first 10 natural numbers is displayed. The variable n is initialized with the value 1 and the variable sum with the value 0. The while condition is now checked. First, n equals to 1, which is less than 10. So, sum becomes sum plus n, which is 0 plus 1, equal to 1. Now, n increases by 1. N is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Again, n equals to 2 is less than 10. So, sum becomes sum plus n, which is 1 plus 2 equals to 3. And n is 2 plus 1, that is 3. The loop continues till n equals to 10. Once n becomes 11, the condition becomes false as 11 is greater than 10. The while loop exits and the answer is printed on the screen. Wasn't that easy? Try writing simple Python programs using the while loop in your lab sessions. Thank you.